Hi friends, you're on the channel It's a Wonderful Life, and today we're going on an exciting journey full of colors, mysteries, and incredible discoveries. Where are we headed? To the amazing world of coral reefs, of course. Did you know these underwater cities, teeming with life, occupy only 1% of the world ocean's area? Just think, 1%. But don't jump to conclusions because it's right here on these reefs that a quarter of all known marine species live. Just imagine this diversity. In this episode, we'll learn how coral reefs are structured, talk about the plants and animals that live there, and also dive into the most beautiful and famous reefs on our planet. Well, shall we dive in? So friends, let's figure out what this wonder is. Coral reefs. Imagine a huge underwater city, built not by people but by tiny creatures, coral polyps. Don't be scared by this word. Polyps are small, invertebrate animals, relatives of jellyfish. They build their houses from calcium carbonate, and these houses, layering on top of each other for centuries, form coral reefs. By the way, do you know what the largest coral reef in the world is? It's the Great Barrier Reef, located in Australia. Its length is 2,300 kilometers. That's more than the distance from Kiev to London. But let's get back to our polyps. They are amazing creatures. They live in huge colonies, feed on plankton, and can even glow in the dark. Can you imagine what a sight that is? And these little hard workers create an ecosystem that can be compared in its diversity to tropical forests. Coral reefs are true oases of life in the ocean. They serve as a home for thousands of species of fish, mollusks, crustaceans, starfish, turtles, and many other marine inhabitants. By the way, it is thanks to their bright colors that coral reefs are called sea gardens. Although in reality, corals are animals, not plants. And these amazing creatures, occupying only 1% of the world ocean's area, play a huge role in the life of our planet. They produce oxygen, protect coasts from erosion, and are also a source of food and medicine for people. My friends, coral reefs are not only amazing animals, but also real underwater gardens with rich plant life. Of course, you won't find birch trees or daisies here, but even without them, the plant world of the reefs is amazing. The main characters here are algae, and not just any algae but a wide variety: red, green, brown, even blue-green. And each of them plays an important role in this complex ecosystem. For example, single-celled algae called zooxanthella live right inside coral polyps and help them get energy from the sun. Yes, you heard right, corals, like plants, can use the sun's energy thanks to their little helpers. You can also find seagrasses on the reefs. They are not as bright as algae, but they are no less important. Seagrasses create entire underwater meadows which serve as food and shelter for many marine animals. Imagine, you are swimming over the reef, and around you these emerald thickets sway in which seahorses, crabs, and other creatures hide. Beautiful. And mangroves also grow on coral reefs. Yes, trees. They grow right in salt water and their roots strengthen the coastline, protecting it from erosion. So, as you can see, the flora of coral reefs is no less diverse and amazing than the fauna, and all these plants and algae play a crucial role in maintaining the fragile balance of this amazing ecosystem. Well friends, are you ready to get a closer look at the inhabitants of coral reefs? Then hold on tight, because a whole kaleidoscope of colors and shapes is about to swim before your eyes. Fish are, of course, the main stars of coral reefs. Here you can find all sorts of fish, from tiny clownfish hiding in anemones to huge moray eels guarding their underwater domains. And the colors here: striped, spotted, bright as a Christmas tree, nature spared no colors for its creations. But it's not just fish that inhabit this underwater world. Here you can also meet graceful sea turtles slowly swimming by, and funny crabs running along the bottom in search of treats. And how about octopuses that change their color in the blink of an eye? Or starfish, which by the way are not fish at all but echinoderms. And that's not all. Coral reefs are home to a multitude of mollusks, from giant tridacna clams the size of a suitcase, to miniature sea snails decorated with patterns of incredible beauty, and there are also colorful sea urchins, elegant seahorses, bizarre jellyfish, and many other amazing creatures. Coral reefs are a true festival of life, where something interesting happens every day. And perhaps this is one of the most amazing spectacles that our planet can offer us. And now, dear travelers, we will embark on a round-the-world journey to the most famous coral reefs on our planet. Buckle up, we're taking off. First stop, the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. This is the true king of reefs, the largest and most famous on the planet. Imagine an endless turquoise surface and underwater, a fantastic world inhabited by thousands of species of fish, turtles, dolphins, and other marine life. Next stop, the Belize Barrier Reef. This is the second largest barrier reef in the world, and it is no less beautiful than its Australian counterpart. Manatees, nurse sharks, and even whale sharks, the largest fish on the planet, live here. How about diving into the Red Sea? Egyptian reefs are a true paradise for divers and simply lovers of underwater swimming. Here you can see Napoleon wrasses, eagle rays, and even ancient Roman galleys that sank many centuries ago. Don't forget about the Maldives. These islands are a true pearl of the Indian Ocean. Coral reefs surround each island like a protective belt and offer unforgettable snorkeling and diving experiences. And this is just a small part of the amazing places where you can experience the beauty of coral reefs. Each reef is a unique world full of mysteries and discoveries. Friends, we have seen that coral reefs are a true wonder of the world that needs to be protected and preserved. Unfortunately, today, these unique ecosystems are under threat of extinction. Climate change, ocean pollution, uncontrolled tourism, all of this is causing irreparable harm to coral reefs, but don't despair. Each of us can contribute to the preservation of these amazing ecosystems. First, try to reduce your environmental footprint. Use less plastic, save water and electricity. Because all of this affects the state of our planet and therefore the health of coral reefs. Second, be responsible tourists. Don't touch corals with your hands, don't step on them with your feet, don't buy souvenirs made of coral. Remember that a coral reef is a living organism, and our careless behavior can destroy it. And finally, tell your friends and family about the problem of coral reefs. The more people know about this problem, the better chance we have of preserving these amazing ecosystems for future generations. So, our amazing journey into the world of coral reefs has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. We learned a lot about these unique ecosystems, about their inhabitants, and about how we can help save them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave comments. Your opinion is very important to me. See you soon.